how to add WhatsApp or Messenger button to Facebook page. So if you want to add WhatsApp or Messenger button to your Facebook page, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Facebook application. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, go with the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines, and then switch to your Facebook page. After switching to your Facebook page, you can again go with the upper right, which has that 3 horizontal lines. Now tap on profile. From the profile, you can go with the 3 dots, which is on the right side, and it will take you to the page settings. So under the page settings here, you will have an option of edit action button or add action button. So tap on that option. And from here, you will have edit button option. So tap on edit buttons and you will have a lot of options. You can select your WhatsApp or your Messenger button. So you can select message if you want to add your Messenger button, or if you want to add your WhatsApp button, then you can go with send messages through WhatsApp. And you can connect your WhatsApp account. After connecting your WhatsApp, you need to go with save, which is on the bottom, and it will add your WhatsApp button. So that's how you can add WhatsApp or Messenger button to your Facebook page. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.